Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Georgiana. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope y'all had a great Christmas. As promised, I am back to share a box of gifts, goodies that was sent to me. It was before Christmas, but as most of you can imagine, I've been busy. We had some company and other things getting ready for the holidays, so I wanted to kind of do this unboxing. I have not even thoroughly been through it yet. Once I realized what it was, I put it away. But I did get a card that says fa la 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 la. I do like that background die and the paper, the glittery paper she used. So, or he, I don't know. It's from it's from a last name Brolin. So thank you very much. I really appreciate this. I already saw the glue gun in here, which I got to tell you, I'm most excited about using this because my glue guns don't work well. And I noticed this one has a dual temp. So that's really good because all of mine were just, set it and wait for it to heat up. So I'm excited to use this. I'm excited to try the different glue sticks, the wax melts for the different stamps, the wax seals. I have some of these already, so I'll be excited to use those. These are fun. And I know there was another one in here. There may be a couple of others. This one's just some evergreen branches. And this one says Merry Christmas, and that's very pretty. I don't know if it'll focus in, but anyway, it's very pretty. So those are great for they're great for putting on the backs of envelopes. Not so much if you want to mail them, more a hand delivery type thing, but they're also good in junk journals. So those are nice. Trying to find a place to sit everything as I pull it out. Lots and lots of washi tape. This I love. I use this a lot for a lot of different things. It's good in junk journals. It's good on cards. It's good in just to hold my dies and my paper together when I run them through the die cutting machine. So there's a lot of nice colors in here. So I think we'll definitely be able to make something with that. Yeah, very nice. Thank you again so much. So then we've got some more washi tape. And these will be going on some of next year's Christmas cards. Because I've already mentioned I want to focus on kids, and I think kids will like this kind of stuff. So that's good. It's all good. Who am I kidding? Here I've got some of the needle nose bottles, or needle nose tips in a bottle. A couple of bottles. I like that. I'm definitely going to be able to use those, whether it's for my alcohol inks or my various glues, or even resin, because I've started working with resin now. I'd have to keep the bottle in a dark place. Maybe I'd want to wrap that bottle up with something so the light couldn't get through it, but that could also work. And then we've got scrapbook.com craft glue. Let's open that and see what that is. Oh, I have never tried their glue before. So non-toxic, long-lasting hold, dries clear, perfect for paper crafts. Well, thank you. I look forward to trying that. And it looks like it's got some extra, it's got the extra nozzles with it too. Very nice. You can never have enough glue, can you? Well, you can if you've been collecting it for 30 years, but otherwise, no, you can never have enough glue. So this one I was really excited to see. It's a little unicorn punch. And I love unicorns. So thank you very much. I look forward to using that. And then we've got a whole bunch of these Copic markers, which are really nice markers. If you're not familiar with them, they're a good quality marker, alcohol ink. And I love those colors, actually. The blues, the purples. Those are nice. Very, very nice. Thank you. So we've got, I see some more of the wax seals. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of them. All right, what do we have? Oh, it's the Earth or a planet with rings in the center of a clock. Very nice. I think that would look good on like steampunk pages or cards or journals. Yeah. Trying to figure out where to set everything. This one, oh, is a nice tree. A nice big full tree. That's very nice too. That I can see using that in some of my fairy journals. So here we got a balloon over the earth and some constellations in the background. Very pretty. Here's one. What does this say? It's hard for me to read backwards. Something love. With love. Oh, I love cursive. I love cursive writing, but it is hard to read backwards. But that's very pretty. And this one, it's another celestial one. I like that too. It's got the moon, a hand reaching for the moon, some stars. I don't know how well you can see it, but that's also very nice. And then, of course, there's a couple of the wax melt spoons. Can never have enough of those. And I had some of these in one of my carts. You drip your your melted wax into the center of this so that you get a nice round impression. So it's, because sometimes they're kind of messy, which some people like. But then you put your wax seal on it, and so it just makes a nice, perfectly round border. So I'm excited to try that because I actually have one of those in my cart somewhere. I don't know which cart, but somewhere. Now, what is this? Jane Davenport. Oh, calligraphy pen. Wow. How cool is that? Looks like mermaid scales on there. Oh, it is. It's a mermaid. Includes 1 pen, 1 converter cartridge, and 3 ink cartridges. Wow. That's nice. Thank you. We got some nice brushes for crafting, whether it's for inks or powders. Yeah, very nice. I have not seen those kind before. I've seen the bigger ones. I haven't seen these type. Oh my goodness. And 2 boxes, not 1, but 2 boxes of wax melts. Love those. There's some really beautiful colors in there. Some really nice metallics, bronze, gold, rose gold. Very pretty. Cranberry or raspberry. There's the rose gold up there. Yeah, those are super, super nice. Thank you so much. I can find a place to set those. Wire. I do have some of this. And this feels nicer than what I have. What I have is I think it's thicker maybe, or maybe it's too thin. I don't know. This is a nice 20 gauge, and I have been wanting to do some beaded projects, so this will work really well for those. And then we got some cute paper, some cute colorful brads from the Paper Studio. I love those colors. Those are nice and bright. What are these? Let's see. Oh, wax seals for the hot glue gun. That's a nice green color. And then we have a lighter, kind of more minty green. Does it say what color these are? I don't think it does. Those are from Hobby Lobby. I don't know what colors they are, but they're just 2 different shades of green. And those are really nice greens. Very nice. Thank you. Oh, another pen that got buried. Another purple shade. Love purple. Another wax melting cup. Now what is this? Is this a stamping platform? I think it is. I have Bira Bira. Huh, I'm not familiar with this one. I see it's got magnets on there so you can line it up. Oh, well, how interesting. Thank you so much. I will try that. I like it. And here's just a, what does that say? Crafting Essentials. It's just a nice thick plastic envelope. That is nice. Nice and thick. I like that too. Mine are a lot thinner than that. Oh, I missed a pen. Nice bright, what do they call it? Pumpkin yellow. And some Recollections craft paper, which fits in here really nice and snug. let's see, 24 pounds, solid core, 8.5 by 11. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that would really work well in junk journals, as well as other things, but I see these in future junk journals for sure. Wow. Well, thank you so much, Mr. or Mrs. Brolin, or Miss. Thank you. That's very generous of you. I really appreciate it, and I am excited to dig in and play with some of this stuff for sure, especially that glue gun. Thank you so much. And all of those wax seals. That's quite a few. So thanks again. Sorry for the delay in thanking you and showing off the goodies. You know how hectic Christmas is. So I've been working on, well, cleaning my craft room for one, because it's literally like a tornado's been in here. And two, for your support and your following me and your encouragement. I really appreciate all that. I have been also working on kind of a plan or a footprint or blueprint of what I want to do this year. It's not next year, it's this year. We'll do some more quilling for sure. I love making the flowers and stuff and playing with different techniques. And we'll still continue to make some cards. I have been playing recently with resin, the UV resin. I found some of my molds, but not all of them, so I think we'll be doing, working on more Christmas ornaments. That will probably be later in the year, and we'll do another snowflake series later in the year. I'm going to be trying to do a better job at organizing my stamps and dies, particularly my dies, because I tend to use those more than the stamps. As I've stated before, I'm not the best stamper, but I do have some beautiful stamps, so we'll be doing some of that. I don't know, my list is over there, but I wanted to kind of keep this short and just make sure I thanked Viewer Brolin, here we go, for this lovely gift box, which has got so many really nice goodies in it. I don't know, honestly, I don't know where to start. It will probably be with the glue gun, though. I'll probably play with some wax melts. So, gosh, guys, Happy New Year. I look forward to this year and what's ahead, and I hope you'll stick with me. And if there's something you want to see, if I can do it, I will be glad to do it. And I might even do some sewing or some embroidery, which I don't know that's something that it's not as easy to pick up. It's kind of an expensive hobby, but I might do a little bit of that. I don't know yet. So slowly working my way through my supplies, so there'll be a lot of that in the future. And yeah, I don't know what else. But thank you guys. I hope you had a great Christmas or holiday season. Maybe Christmas isn't your thing. That's okay. Whatever you celebrate or don't celebrate, I just hope you had a nice end of year. And I hope we all have a fantastic new year. And thanks again for joining me on this journey. You know, we're almost up to 600. It seemed like it took forever to get to 500. Now we're almost already to 600. I couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you again so much. And I have no idea what our next video is going to be, but it'll be a surprise to all of us. All right. So until next time, guys, thank you so much. This is Georgiana with Expressions Craft Studio, and I hope you have a happy, crafty new year. Hey, everybody. This is Georgiana with Expressions Craft Studio. Welcome back.